Hello, my name is Costal Stevens. I am an engineer with IMS USA, and today I'm going to be discussing the maintenance of our IMS Collet Chucks and the importance of keeping them clean of debris and corrosion free. Here we have an HSK 63F Collet Chuck. First, what you want to do is remove your tool holder from the spindle of your machine, and be sure to do this after every use. In order to clean your Collet Chuck, you will first need to remove the tool from the tool holder. Remember to use a tool clamper to avoid damaging the tool or tool holder during the removal process or even your own safety. Then, using a dust-free cloth, wipe it down and remove any dirt, dust, chips, or particles still left on your tool holder. After cleaning your tool holder, you want to examine it for any defects to make sure it hasn't been damaged in any way. If you notice any surface imperfections, you may use an abrasive cloth unless the tool holder is nickel coated. Also, examine the tool holder and check for stress collets and check the threads on the nut and make sure they aren't damaged or corroded. If so, I recommend replacing them. You can always take preventative measures to ensure the longevity of your tool holders by using professional accessories for cleaning, tightening, clamping, and storage. I hope the information given today was very helpful. These Collet Chucks are available on our website at www.imsusanc.com. Thank you for watching, and make sure to comment and like us on our social media.